Welcome back to Vital Signs. Today, we're diving into the realm of infectious diseases. From prions to viruses, bacteria to parasites, and fungi, we'll be taking a closer look at each of these types of pathogens and discussing how we can protect ourselves from them. Let's start with prions. Prions are unique infectious agents that consist solely of misfolded proteins. They can cause serious neurological disorders, such as Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease and variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. These diseases affect the brain, leading to progressive and irreversible damage. Prions are incredibly resilient and can survive in the environment for extended periods. However, they are not easily transmissible between individuals, and the risk of prion diseases can be minimized through proper handling and preparation of food, especially when dealing with potentially contaminated meat products. Moving on to viruses, these tiny agents can wreak havoc on our health. They are responsible for a wide range of diseases, including the common cold, influenza, HIV/AIDS, and COVID-19. Viruses cannot replicate on their own and rely on host cells to multiply. They can spread through respiratory droplets, contaminated surfaces, or direct contact with infected individuals. To protect ourselves from viral infections, it's important to practice good hygiene, such as frequent hand washing, avoiding close contact with sick individuals, and getting vaccinated when vaccines are available. Bacteria, on the other hand, are single-celled organisms that can be found almost everywhere. While many bacteria are harmless or even beneficial, some can cause serious infections. Examples include Streptococcus, Staphylococcus, and Escherichia coli. Bacterial infections can affect various parts of the body, from the skin and respiratory system to the urinary tract and bloodstream. To prevent bacterial infections, practicing good hygiene, such as proper hand washing and food safety measures, is essential. Additionally, completing prescribed courses of antibiotics and avoiding the misuse of antibiotics can help combat antibiotic resistance, a growing concern in the medical community. Now let's talk about parasites. These organisms thrive by living in or on another organism, known as the host. They can cause diseases such as malaria, toxoplasmosis, and giardiasis. Parasites can enter the body through contaminated food or water, insect bites, or close contact with infected individuals or animals. Protecting ourselves from parasitic infections involves measures such as maintaining good sanitation practices, filtering or purifying water from potentially contaminated sources, and taking precautions when traveling to regions where specific parasites are prevalent. Lastly, we have fungi. Fungal infections can range from superficial conditions like athlete's foot and ringworm to more severe systemic infections such as invasive aspergillosis and candidemia. Fungi thrive in warm and moist environments and can be found in soil, plants, and even the air. To reduce the risk of fungal infections, it's important to keep the skin clean and dry, avoid sharing personal items like towels and clothing, and take precautions in environments where fungal exposure is likely, such as construction sites or areas with high mold concentrations. While each type of infectious agent presents its own challenges, there are general measures we can take to protect ourselves from these pathogens. Maintaining good personal hygiene, practicing proper hand washing techniques, and following food safety guidelines are crucial in preventing the spread of infectious diseases. Additionally, staying up to date with recommended vaccinations, when available, is essential for safeguarding our health and preventing certain viral and bacterial infections. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to infectious diseases. By understanding how these pathogens spread and adopting preventive measures, we can protect ourselves and those around us. That concludes our discussion on the different types of infectious diseases and how we can defend ourselves against them. Thank you for joining me today on Vital Signs. Stay informed, stay healthy, and tune in next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of medicine. This has been Vital Signs, your window into the world of medicine. Thank you for listening.